Alright, so yeah, we did a thing today. We ended up picking up this 1997 Chevrolet Corvette with 183,000 miles. I got it loaded. For those of you curious, these do not actually fit on a U-Haul trailer without scraping the front lip off and or scratching the undercarriage, the body, suspension stuff as you come up the ramps. So that was fun. I've got it all strapped down. Also, you cannot get in and out of it after you have got it on the trailer, so I had to crawl out through the window, which was great. And yeah, so I'm going to take it home, do some cleaning. I'm going to get rid of the Dale stickers and some of these blackout bits and pieces. But I got it from a really nice guy here in Tennessee, young dude in high school actually. So it needs a little love, but ultimately I think we did pretty good. It was the cheapest Corvette within 1,000 miles of my house, so runs really good, and needs some brake work, some tires, good wax, a little paint work on those mirrors, and I gotta say, I don't think I could be too much happier for under $7,000 loaded on the trailer and gas included driving it home. So I'm gonna hit the road because I'm tired. It was a 2.5 hour drive here. I have a 2.5 hour drive back, and I got to get this trailer loaded, but pretty stinking excited. You'll see a lot more of this car in my videos. So the old Titan's squatting a little bit. It's got a little extra weight in the back. Looks good though. I think we're ready to go.